For children them. Because the children them are drive around a maroon town especially. They come from some general. The whole team, the whole one family. You see, look at them. You know, see, you see right around that corner.
I mean, big bad boy, you work with TV, yeah?